Welcome to Learnpedia, the 24/7 JEE and NEET resource at your fingertips. Now let's see if you can answer this important question. If you think you got the answer, then post it in the comment section below. To know the best way to answer this question, continue watching this video.
There are some rules based on the observation of different organisms occupying the different ecological niche as well as their habitat. Now, many people have put forward their theories. Now, one such person is Bergmann. Bergmann's rule says that larger species are found in colder climates. So you can compare the polar bear with an ordinary bear living in the tropical places. You can see the size difference. So naturally, larger the size, then there are a lot of adaptations like they store a lot of fat beneath the skin and which give them that insulation to retain their body fat. So larger the body size, the more the fat content, the more they are able to tolerate the cold conditions. Then there is this person called Allen. His name is actually Joel Asaph Allen. The surface area is very important. He showed that to prevent the heat loss in cold climatic condition, he said that for the same body volume, animals inhabiting different climatic condition have different surface area. Now this is very interesting. Now why? Suppose animal is living in a cold place. Then the animal has to have less surface area of the skin exposed because it has to retain the heat. Whereas animal that is living in very tropical, it used to have for the same volume more surface area exposed so that it can radiate the heat faster to the surrounding. The animals in the cooler places have to save their heat energy. The animals in the tropical thing have to give up their heat energy. Now that is what is Allen's rule. Now here given are the examples of rabbits. Now from the thing you can say that this is hot season. That is they can adapt very well and they have a larger body surface because they have to radiate heat more. Now these two form the cooler places, colder places. So they have very small ears and they have to give out very little heat energy. Now this is the actual picture of an Arctic fox and fennec fox. Now you can see the size of the earlobes of the two and you can see the amount of body surface exposed in the two. So this is Allen's rule. Rensch's rule, he observed that the temperature to some extent brings about the sexual dimorphism. What do you mean by that? Sexual dimorphism, morphism means physiology, that is the external appearance, physical structure. So sexual dimorphism means between the male and the female. It has been observed in the primates and as well as in the marine mammals that the male of the animal is always larger in size than the female. So here are two examples that are given in the elephant community as well as in the seal, that the male seal is always larger in size than the female. So sexual dimorphism is seen and whichever sex is larger then depending on the temperature. Then across species within a lineage, size metamorphism. Sized morphism will increase with increasing body size. That is what is bringing about the difference. We can easily make out like between the lion and the lioness we know definitely. We can obviously see between the rooster and the hen. And so this has been observed by Rensch and that's called as the Rensch's rule that the sexual dimorphism is seen and this is seen to be as a result of effect of temperature. And to extend this, the Jordan's rule, he observed the fish occupying the different temperature zones in the waters. And Jordan's rule said that the vertebrae increases with latitude attributed to the ambient temperature. This is the fish from warmer climate and this is a fish from the colder climate which is having more number of vertebrae. So here the observation is that fish vary widely across the diversity of fish, that the vertebrae increase with latitude.
I hope you can now answer the question. Take a look at the solution now. Hit the bell icon below to subscribe to the Learnpedia channel and learn more through such interesting videos. Learnpedia's JEE and NEET prep tools contain over 4,000 videos and over 20,000 questions. You can access them online through our website or offline through an SD card or a pen drive. To buy now, visit www.learnpedia.in. You can also try a free demo of the product before buying.